Hi, this is Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston with a 2021 33 Outrage. What a beautiful boat this is. It's got the new steel blue on it, a beautiful color with the matching hardtop up there. It's a really nice feature, nice contrast on it. And let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 330 Outrage. Let's start right here at the back of the boat. It's powered by the new Mercs, 300 horsepower. Plenty of horsepower. This is a quick top end, close to 50-mile-an-hour boat. Also in the back, a really large live well, so plenty of room. It's very nicely located in the back where you are fishing. The seat in the back will actually fold up and make a nice leaning post for you when you are fishing. And then over here, another excellent feature on this boat is the dive door. It does three things very, very well. When you're boarding from just a floating dock, you walk level right onto the boat. It's the safest and easiest way to get on the boat. Secondly is when the ladder easily goes in place. Real good, safe way to get on the boat from inside the wall, from it being in the water. Little handle to grab yourself when you're coming in. And lastly, when you are fishing, a lot of times you lose the fish as you're bringing them up over the gunnel. This way, with the dive door, you can bring him, and he's still half in the water. You can drag him right in, put him in the fish box, take the hook out, nice, neat, and clean. Don't lose too many fish that way. Back here, we've got a two-in-one, a nice 2 to 3 person seat with a live well underneath it. So you've got two really large live wells on this boat. We'll convert into, it goes into a really nice prep station, cutting bait, doing all any kind of prep that you need. So good 2-in-1 seat right here. And I moved to the Helm area. You've got twin Marines touchscreens, so you've got plenty of electronics here. And then you've got the digital throttle and shift, and you've got the joystick. The joystick is a fantastic option. I can make the boat go sideways. I can go in any slip, any condition, you name it, you can do it with this. Also has the sky hook, so you can lock yourself in a position when you're getting ready to tie your boat up, and you can just get lines and fenders, put them all out for you in just a nice, safe way. And then also, lastly, if you're looking at a sunset, I can point the bow at the sun, and it's keeping the exact same spot for as long as you want, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour. Have a nice glass of wine. It's great. Then as we move to the bow, I got jump seats on the side. Large head, so you get the vacuum flush toilet. And as I move up to the bow, you've got the lounger up front. 2 to 3 adults very comfortably up here. And gigantic storage underneath. So this boat also has the table, that's a teak table that mounts right here, and also the sunshade that covers the whole bow. So you've got a lot of shade on the boat if you need it. It's a very comfortable boat, but it handles the backwaters, but it also handles the big water really well. So if you've got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.